Well, this is a huge decision, a huge victory for freedom of speech in our country. You know, every day, hundreds of pro-life students go out from abortion facilities to peacefully pray and to give literature to women walking into the abortion facility saying, this isn't your only option. We know a place you can go for free pregnancy tests, free STD tests, free support, free counseling. We'll walk with you. We'll seek real social justice with you. And when states like Massachusetts pass these unconstitutional buffer zone laws, it's really just a give to the abortion industry. Because every woman they stop from walking into an abortion facility is money that they lose. It's money that Planned Parenthood loses. That's why they care about this. And for them to say that sidewalks protecting the entrance of abortion facility somehow have this magical extra protection than every other sidewalk in America, that's clearly unconstitutional. And it was huge that the court, even pro-abortion members of the court who think that abortion should be legal in all 9 months of pregnancy, agreed. This was a very basic freedom of speech issue. This does have a day-to-day impact on what we do. Of our 838 groups across the country, hundreds of them go out and from abortion facilities every day. So if this buffer zone was upheld, it would have affected all of our works because lives are being saved every day in from abortion facilities. Women are being spared and given real help, and this would have been disastrous for our movement had it gone the other way. Well, you know, I think this case was really interesting in that it's reflecting the change in how the pro-life movement operates, right? So in early 90s, you had the clinic blockades where people took the 1960s protest idea and they said, if they're killing babies, we're going to stop, we're going to sit right there. And you can't do that anymore because of the FACE Act. And you simply can't. So what happened was the pro-life movement pulled back and said, what can we do that's really effective? We can be out there praying. We can be out there giving her real hope and real resources. So for us, this is reflective that, you know, that old mantra that you hear that the other side always says of the violence and the women, these old angry white men are shouting at women entering abortion facilities. That's not the case. That's not the pro-life movement in America. And they just keep repeating these old 1970 mantras over and over again. And this case makes me very hopeful for Hobby Lobby because this was about freedom of speech, First Amendment rights. And what do we have in Hobby Lobby? First Amendment rights, religious freedom. So hopefully the court is signaling here that they're going to come out with a good decision on Hobby Lobby.